If you want to hide Instagram app on your Samsung phone, then let us see how to do it. Now, if you don't want to use any third-party application, then you can use the secure folder app that comes with Samsung. The first thing is you have to set up the secure folder. Go to settings here. Go to this option security and privacy. Go to this option more security settings. Select secure folder. Select continue. Select continue again. Now secure folder is being created. Select done. Then you can lock your secure folder by either using pin code, password, pattern, fingerprint, etc. For me, I will select pin and let me enter any pin code. Continue. Again enter the pin code and then OK. Now you have to select this option, allow lock reset with Samsung account. In case you forgot the pin code of secure folder, you can always reset with your Samsung account. So select allow. Select next after putting the pin code. Now if you have to lock Instagram application, you have to put the Instagram app inside this secure folder. So I will select this plus icon here. Then I will look for Instagram application. I will select it and then add. Now you can see Instagram application is added to the secure folder. If I go outside, you will still see Instagram application on the apps screen. So what you need to do is you need to tap and hold on this Instagram app and then uninstall from the apps screen. Select OK. Go to secure folder. Then open Instagram. The first time you use Instagram, you have to again enter your username and password. Log in. Now I have logged into the Instagram application. Now let me show you what happens when I close and when I open the Instagram inside the secure folder. So let me close it. Let me open my phone again. Then let me go to the secure folder. So I have to use my fingerprint or pin in order to open the secure folder. And then I can log into the Instagram app. And this time I don't have to use the Instagram user ID and password. So in this way, you can add Instagram app inside secure folder and lock the application. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.